Today is truly historic, not only for RRC Polytech or manufacturers, but for all of Manitoba. I'm honored to announce the Price Institute of Advanced Manufacturing and Mechatronics at RRC Polytech. Dr. Gerry and Barbara Price, the Price Family Foundation, Price Industries, today I'm honored to say that you have made the largest single gift in the college's history, $10 million.
The students themselves deserve to have an opportunity to be expert in what's relevant today, not expert at what was relevant 15 years ago. So this program is cutting edge. It's going to be today's needs for manufacturers and technologists. That's good for our provincial economy.
Being the first of its kind in Manitoba, this institute will provide students and workers access to forward-thinking education and skills development right here at home. Mechatronics is the future of manufacturing, and the Government of Canada is committed to investing in people.
Manufacturing is Manitoba's second largest industry, employing 68,000 workers and contributing $6 billion to our economy. That's why I'm pleased to announce our government's capital contribution and ongoing support of Red River College Polytechnic's Institute of Advanced Manufacturing and Mechatronics.
We are so grateful to the life-changing supports you have already provided to students at RRC Polytech and at post-secondary institutions throughout Winnipeg. We are humbled and also incredibly excited to work with you on this new chapter of our partnership.